Looking for the right vehicle? Check out 2016 Chevrolet Trax. The Trax is tiny on the outside, but remarkably spacious within. It comes with clean and modern interiors and is priced below $25,000. This vehicle has less than 20,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, all-wheel drive, remote engine start, air conditioning, Bluetooth, passenger airbag, automatic transmission, cruise control, tilt and telescopic steering wheel, heated driver's seat. Your new ride is just a phone call away.